Creating DIY baby toys at home is a rewarding journey filled with creativity and joy. As a parent, you might be searching for ways to craft safe and engaging toys for your little one. Here are some essential tips to guide you through the process. Before you start, gather materials that are safe and suitable for babies. Look for non-toxic paints, soft fabrics, and natural wood. Ensure everything is free from small parts that could pose a choking hazard. Begin with simple projects like a sensory bottle. Fill a clear plastic bottle with water, glitter, and small, colorful objects. Seal it tightly, and watch your baby enjoy the visual stimulation. Another easy project is a fabric tag toy. Use different textured fabrics and sew them into a small square, adding loops of ribbon around the edges. Babies love exploring the various textures and colors. For a more advanced project, try making a wooden teether. Sand down a piece of untreated wood into a smooth shape, ensuring there are no sharp edges. You can even add a bit of beeswax for a natural finish. Remember, safety is paramount. Always supervise your baby while they play with homemade toys. Regularly inspect the toys for wear and tear, and repair or replace them as needed. Creating DIY toys is not only cost-effective but also allows you to tailor the toys to your baby's interests and developmental stage. Plus, it's a wonderful way to bond and create lasting memories. Patience and creativity are your best allies in this process. Every toy you make is a unique gift for your child, crafted with love and care. Enjoy the journey of making playtime special and personal for your little one.